There on that side is the Amazon light I had in. And that's the boost auto light right there. So as you can see, it's way brighter.
Listen, asshole! No, you listen, you little bitch. You hang up on me again, I'll cut you like a fish. Yeah, so I get something crazy off the bus neck. Yeah, so I get something crazy off the bus neck. Yeah, so I get something crazy off the bus neck. Yeah, so I get something crazy off the bus neck.
It's annoying as hell when the temperature drops and you gotta put air back in your tire. Yes, I'm recording this.
And we back my ass off it. I can't stand too close. There's two rain fields here.
Step on them.
Hell no.
It's gonna take forever to fill them damn tires up though.
Yeah.
Any day now. High speed racer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boost Auto decided to reach out to me again, so I'm gonna do another product review for y'all. So to take this off, same thing as my last video when I put on the cab lights from Boost Auto. So all you do is you push this top glass in, you push this bottom glass out, get your fingers behind it, snatch it out. But be careful when you do it, because on my mirror on that side, this little ring right here came off. It's like one big assembly. Came off. It was stuck on the other side of my mirror. When you pull these off, this is actually supposed to stay in right here. These right here can break, and when these break, you got another motor. But that assembly ring I was talking about, whatever the hell you call it, it will come out stuck to the back of this. When you pull that mirror off, you want it to look like this, completely naked. But all I did was unscrew that screw right there, unplug the actual light, just this right here. Now you just wiggle it out. Side by side comparison. That in. Now you just plug this up. Then put your screw back in. I'm on my way home right now, and I got the Boost Auto lights in, and I just so happened to look to my left and see how much light output that these lights have. You probably can't see that my windows are tinted. Look at that. illuminate the whole side of the truck. I love that. All right, let me get ready to do my turn signal so y'all can see just how much light I put those have when I do that. Alright. Look at that. Look how much light I put that is. Crazy. The other ones weren't nowhere near that bright. Alright, just pulled up at my house. So I'm finna get out, show y'all the light I put from the side of the truck on the outside since I'm not driving now. Lights the whole side of the truck up.
Question, smoking like I been stressing. Hoes trying to read me, leave them dyslexic. Get this weight off my chest like I'm bench pressing. I'm big stepping. Jordan Clarkson with the Narcan. I shoot for 30 and that's with my off can. Walk in, they like who let the dogs in. Kill myself before I let her out win. Bitches begging me to get toxic.
I was trained to hurt people, trained to be ruthless, trained to purge every trace of inferiority from myself until I was nothing but the best.
Ambition alone, rocking out all white, feel like the Pope. Rolling this bitch, I'm feeling the dope. Telling the bitch don't choke. Battery locks on the purse, deep. I'm in a place where you can't get in. This is the back game, fuck it, they sing. Got my hair blown like a ghost of a saint. Got me designer, 110. Keep on talking, you get clear. Other focus, I'm a strong. Multiple frames in my body, you did.